You said never let me go. 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 You said
Hello guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to make body spray. A body spray is a fragrant liquid that is intended to be applied elsewhere on the body besides the armpits to keep it nicely scented. Some people confuse between body spray and perfume. Body spray and perfume are different by the virtue of their carrier solvent. A carrier solvent is a liquid or gas that is used to lower the potency of another substance. In the case of perfume, the carrier solvent is usually a compatible vegetable or mineral oil that is practically odorless. Whereas in the case of body spray, the carrier oil is usually ethanol. There are two categories of fragrances that could be used to make both perfume and body spray. They are essential oils and fragrance oils. Essential oils are sweet-smelling oils that are obtained from plants, whereas fragrance oils are synthetic or man-made sweet-smelling substances that are dispersed in oil. The difference between essential oil and fragrance oil could be in terms of the strength and longevity of their scents. Essential oils have stronger and long-lasting scents than most fragrance oils. They are also relatively more expensive. In today's lesson, we are going to concentrate on how to make different blends of body sprays from synthetic fragrance oils. There's one thing to note here as an intending body spray manufacturer. That is, you might not have enough money as a beginner to go for essential oils in the production of your body spray because essential oils are expensive. But you can start with synthetic fragrance oils. You might not also have access to perfume-grade ethanol for diluting your fragrance oils, but there is an alternative, which is methanol. Methanol, however, is highly poisonous, but you can always manipulate the potency by diluting it with distilled water. Also, your product label should carry a warning note not to spray it directly on the skin or apply it in a poorly ventilated place. In today's recipe, we are going to blend 3 different fragrance oils into one. The 3 scents of the fragrance oils are called notes, and there are 3 types of body spray notes. There is a top note, which is the first scent that you perceive upon the application of the perfume. It is often sweet-smelling, but dissipates faster. The middle note is the scent that you perceive after a couple of minutes of applying the perfume. They last within a few hours. Then there's a scent that tends to last for some hours or days after the application of the body spray. This is called base note. Scientifically, synthetic fragrances are called esters. They are often made from the reaction of carboxylic acid with alkanols in the presence of mineral acid as catalyst. The fragrances that are used as top notes are those that have short molecular chains. That is why they diffuse faster. Those that constitute middle notes are those with relatively longer molecular chains, while those that form the base notes have the longest chains. Continue watching as I demonstrate to you the preparation of 50 ml of a body spray from the following recipe.
You said never let me